Our journey begins high above the inside passage. Look down upon a small cruise ship. It seems dwarfed by the immensity of the landscape. Towering mountains rise on either side. They are shrouded in mist, their peaks lost in the clouds. The ship is a tiny speck of white against the emerald green water. The water reflects the dense forests that line the shore. This is a place of remarkable beauty. Farewell to the light, a golden embrace. As the day draws to a close, the sun begins its descent. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues. Orange, pink, purple, and red paint the heavens. The clouds reflect the colors. They create a breathtaking spectacle. The sun sinks lower in the sky. It casts a golden glow over the water. The mountains are silhouetted against the horizon. Memories etched in time. The Inside Passage is a place of unparalleled beauty and wonder. It is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a place where you can reconnect with nature. The memories of your journey through the Inside Passage will stay with you long after you return home. The stunning scenery, the amazing wildlife, and the friendly people will all leave a lasting impression on your soul. The Inside Passage is a truly magical place. It is a place that will capture your heart and stay with you forever.